Hello viewers, today I've decided to show you a totally unique little known fish recipe from the heart of India to celebrate India's Republic Day. It was invented by the Begums of Bhopal and is called the Bhopali Fish Rizala. For this recipe, I'll be using the Rohu fish, which is arguably the most popular fish of India. I'm using 500 grams of the fish, which has been cleaned and descaled. I will also need 4 tablespoons of red onion paste, 1 tablespoon each of crushed ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder, 4 tablespoons of fried onion paste, 3 tablespoons of poppy seed paste, half a cup of beaten yogurt or dahi, and around 300 grams of fresh chopped coriander leaves. Let's heat some oil in a large cooking pot. We are going to shallow fry the fish for a minute or so on each side. Turn the fish over after a minute. We are only shallow frying it. And then take them out. That's the fish shallow fried. In the same pot, add 4 tablespoons of red onion paste and fry the paste for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring the pot. Then add the crushed ginger and garlic into the pot and fry for another minute. Now it's time to add the turmeric and red chili powder into the pot. Fry everything together for a couple of minutes and let the masala dry out. That's the masala fried, and now we are going to add the beaten yogurt or dahi into the pot in 2 batches and blend it in. So add 2 to 3 tablespoons of dahi into the pot at a time and then blend it in. This will take 2 to 3 minutes to do. Now it's time to add the star ingredient for this recipe, which is the coriander. This fish curry is known for its striking green color. Put the coriander in the pot and then let it reduce its bulk. Stir it together with the masala paste and then add the poppy seed paste into the pot along with the fried onion paste. Blend them together with the coriander masala paste into the pot. Then add salt according to your taste and give the pot a stir. Then add 1 cup of water. The water is white here because I am rinsing out the dahi cup with it. Give the pot a stir. And then add the Rohu fish pieces back into the pot. That's all the fish in. Now cover and cook the fish on low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the lid off and check to see if the fish is done. And it is, and a unique Bhopali Fish Rizala is ready. let's plate up this delicious, unique heritage Indian recipe. Garnish with a sprig of coriander, since coriander is the star of this heritage fish curry recipe. Bhopali Fish Rizala is a unique secret recipe from the kitchens of the Begums of Bhopal, which is a city known for its talabs or jheels. This is a delicious, different Indian heritage recipe, literally from the heart of India, and is just the perfect recipe to celebrate the Indian Republic Day lunch or dinner. Serve it with rice or pulao and enjoy.